Hello students, hope you are well. You're watching your study partner or Tutor Online 424, your channel, and I'm your maths tutor. One of our students from UAE sent us this question to solve. This one, and it is from complex number. We have to convert the polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates. And what will be the answer? He wants to understand this conversion, so we can do so by the calculator, but he wanted to solve it from paper and pen. He also wanted to know about Cartesian curve. Let's understand about the Cartesian curve. First of all, we should know that what is the Cartesian curves. In Cartesian curves or Cartesian plane, we just have we have coordinates. Like if we have a vector in xy plane, if this one is, it is x plane, xy plane is x axis, this one is y axis and y prime, and this one will x prime. We have vector in the form of tan times tan angle of pi by 4, or it can be written as tan angle of negative 45. So by taking this angle negative, it will be in the fourth plane because we are going in counterclockwise, so it will be in fourth plane. Here will be this vector, here will be in this plane, and its angle will be this one. This angle will be 45 degrees, and it will be in negative 45 degrees or negative pi by 4. In Cartesian curves, we just have to find out the coordinates like x and y coordinates, not the whole vector or something else. As this is the vector, this one shows that its magnitude is 10 units and its angle is negative 45. But in Cartesian curves, we just only have to know that what are the coordinates of this vector. So a formula which is used to find out the rectangular components, the same formula we will apply here to find out its Cartesian coordinates. Okay, Cartesian coordinates. To find out x or ax or x, we just multiply the magnitude times cos of theta, where we have the magnitude of tan given in the question. This one tan times cos of what is angle negative 45. Remember that in, or right, we can write it pi by 4. In finding out cosine, every negative angle becomes a positive angle, so it will be 10 times, and the cos pi by 4 cos negative pi by 4 becomes under 2 over 2, so it will be 5 under 2. Now let's find out the second one, ay component. What will be the ay component? Ay is equal to y, same magnitude but with sine theta, so it will be tan sine of negative pi by 4. But remember, here in the sine, negative sign remains a negative. 10 times negative under 2 over 2, which will be negative 5 under root 2. Because this 2 will be cancelled out with this 10. This 2 will be cancelled out with this 10, remaining will be 5. Similarly, here this 2 will be cancelled out with 10 and remaining will be 5. So these are the two coordinates. And we can write here that our Cartesian coordinates of this vector are 5 under root 2 and negative 5 under root 2. So our option will be this one. This one will be our option 2. So that's how we can convert the polar form complex numbers from polar form to rectangular form, or from the Cartesian coordinates. These are the coordinates. In other words, our vector that is 10 negative pi by 4 is equal to, in Cartesian curve or in Cartesian plane, 5 under root 2 negative 5 under root 2. These are the x and y coordinates of this vector. This belongs to x and this belongs to y. As we know that we have to find out its coordinates. So here it will be its x coordinate, and here it will be its y coordinate, and the magnitude or the value of the coordinates is given below. Okay, that's what we had. Hope you will find it convenient, you will find it helpful, and you would like the video. Thank you.